Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. I'm Mark, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and don't forget hit that red button so you don't miss any future releases. In today's video, I'm actually going to be doing some cooking. I'm going to show you how to cook my favourite dish. If I was to have a last meal, this would be it. Prime cut of steak cooked with garlic butter and chips. It's as simple as that, but it's just so gorgeous, and it's something I always enjoy when going out to restaurants. And I'm going to show you how to cook my favourite dish, garlic butter steak with chips. The steak we're going to cook today, guys, is an Entrecote steak in France. It's a prime piece of steak, and it's known in England and probably around the world as ribeye. With the Entrecote, they cut off the bone, so it's a ribeye steak without the bone. Recently, it was my birthday, and because we can't go out and eat in restaurants at the moment, we decided to have a sort of banquet meal at home. So I had to cook this for my birthday. Okay guys, we're going to do garlic butter Entrecote steak. So firstly, you need the garlic. I've got 3 bulbs. Scratch that up. I've already got a pan of oil in the pan, getting hot, so I put the garlic in there. Okay, so there's the garlic in the pan with some oil. I'm now going to put some butter in. The reason we put some oil is to stop the butter from burning. Okay, the pan's getting nice and hot, guys. And we'll just melt some butter. A couple of tablespoons of butter. Turn the heat down while I prepare the steak. Okay guys, I went to a butcher's yesterday and bought 2 ribeye steaks. In France they're called Entrecote steaks, and you normally buy them in a supermarket and they weigh about 300 grams each. This is a kilo of meat, and the guy was going to cut it half the thickness of that, and as it's my birthday I said no, I'd like it sort of 2 centimetres thick. So all I'm going to do is season it with a bit of salt. And then we're going to put it in the pan. I've already got chips going. Naomi likes her steak medium to well done. I like mine blue. Because of the thickness though, I think I'm going to cook this sort of medium rare. Okay, as you can see, the butter's now all melted. Still on low heat, and I'm going to put Naomi's steak in. And we'll turn the heat up. Entrecote steak's known as a prime piece of steak, ribeye steak without bones. And the fat content in it renders down and just makes it so succulent. It's a beautiful piece of steak. Now if I was to go to a restaurant, it would cost me 22 to maybe 23 euros for a 300 gram Entrecote steak. Now I bought almost a kilo of prime Entrecote in the butcher's for just under 23 euros. And that's for 3 of us. Okay guys, what I like to do as well is just baste the meat with this garlic and butter sauce while it's cooking. Ready to be turned over. The baste. Beautiful piece of steak. Okay guys, we're going to turn the first steak over. At this point, because my steak is going to be rare, I'll put mine in now. And our son also likes a rare steak. Smells absolutely gorgeous, the garlic butter, guys, on this Entrecote steak. I always said if I was going to have a last meal, it would be an Entrecote steak. This garlic butter sauce is amazing with chips afterwards as well, guys. Just pour it over the whole plate. Okay, let's turn mine and the son's steaks over. Fantastic. Okay, I cooked Naomi's Entrecote for 10 minutes and mine for 5, so these are now ready. Okay guys, there's mine on the plate. I'm just going to let it rest for a couple of minutes before adding the chips, and then I'll add the garlic butter sauce from the pan. Absolutely looks stunning. Okay guys, all plated up, and now just pour some of that wonderful butter and garlic sauce over the chips and steak. There we are. Here we are guys, Entrecote garlic butter sauce with chips, and I'll just show you how this is cooked. Don't even see that, slightly pink. Lovely. Happy birthday to me again, I guess.
Happy birthday, honey, and thanks for cooking. Cheers.
Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this short cooking video on how to cook the best garlic butter steak with chips. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget, hit that red button so you don't miss any future releases. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Take care, everybody.